Welcome back, folks. Back out here cutting trees and brush, and as you recall behind me, Linda was making piles and doing that kind of stuff, and I'd mentioned that I got to cut down a lot more trees, and that's what I've been doing. I'm not quite finished yet, but I'll pan around and show you what I've been up to here in just a moment. What I'm doing with the trees that are laying on the ground is I'm chunking them up into 9-foot long logs and piling them up out front. And this will be for later. I don't know, maybe somebody want to buy them, maybe I'll give them away. I haven't decided yet. The trees range anywhere in size from small, like 6 inches in diameter, to over up to almost 2 feet. So let me show you what I've been up to. So if you recall, in the last video, Linda was making brush piles for animal places. And in the meantime, now I've been busy cutting some of the trees. And as you can see right there's a few birches on the far side, and they're chunked up into 9-foot lengths. And that's what I've got to do to all these trees laying down on the ground right now. The brush I'll be taking care of later. We'll get the chipper on. I hope it'll be this year, but we'll see. Gonna be a lot more sunlight coming into the house now. Now, for all the trees that were laying just about leaning up against the house, obviously I couldn't just chainsaw them and hope they'd fall in the right direction. I've got this is my tractor that I use. It's an L4600 Kubota. Quite heavy, 7,000 pounds, thereabouts. And but what I use is this forestry winch and 35M, and it's from Hudson, Uniforest Forestry Equipment. And I've been able to pull each one of these trees back enough so there's no worry of them falling, against the house. And you can see some of these bigger ones, the orientation, they all came to the left. So yeah, we're going to get a lot more sunshine now. There's still plenty of forest around the perimeter, and of course fresh deer tracks all over the place. So anyway, stay with me while I chunk these up, and a little later, maybe the Hudson Forestry winch, I'll show you how that works. Okay, so that takes care of picking up and disposing of the logs. I'm leaving a couple logs there on the ground just so it'll be something for the rest of the trees to land on. It kind of helps to keep them off the ground. So anyway, thanks for watching this video, and I'll be back with more. So stay tuned.